YouTube. Justin here from Blue Collar Survival again. I'm just going to do a little video. I guess I'm going to call this one damage control. I got this knife from a guy at work today. He asked me if I thought I could repair it, and I told him yeah. Well, it's been taken to a bench grinder, which makes me cringe every time somebody tells me. So I'm just going to do a little video on repairing this and seeing if I can't make it sharp again. Alright. So I suppose I'm going to start off first. I'm going to go ahead and just take all of this off, pretty much, and we're just going to start fresh. There you go. Badly damaged blade. Backed again. Just good as new. Think he'll be happy with it. Alright everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Remember we got that 100 subscriber giveaway, so let's get some more subscribers in here. I'm getting closer. Almost 40%. So let's get some likes, subscribes, and let's give some stuff away. I think we can get it going. So, alright, for Blue Collar Survival, it's Justin. You guys have a good one.